How to delete credit card from Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can delete your credit card from Amazon, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our credit card from Amazon, it's very simple because all we have to do is just go ahead and launch our browser, and then we simply want to come to amazon.com and then make sure to simply sign into our account. So just go to amazon.com and then sign into your account, then tap on the profile icon from the top right. Over here you simply want to look for your account, then tap on the see all button. So just go to the see all option and make sure you see all of your account details. Once you're under your account, scroll down and under payments look for the option called your payments. As you can see, just tap on the your payments option. So when you tap on your payments, you can see cards and account, and then you can see the current card that I've added. All you have to do is just tap on this card over here. So when you tap on the credit card or the debit card that you've added, you just need to tap on the edit button right next to it. Make sure you're under wallet, tap on the edit button into it. Once you tap on edit, over here all you need to do is just scroll down and then look for the option called remove from wallet. So all you need to do is just tap on the remove from wallet option and you will be able to successfully delete this credit card. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then delete credit card from Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.